Hello dear, welcome back to my channel Bro Says English, and you can see I'm standing on the roof and now sun has been set. Yeah, set. Sunset has been cleared. So I'm here, I am recording videos here and it's very captivating. What does it mean captivating? Captivating, we can say it's a synonym of beautiful. Yeah, beautiful or attractive. If you want to say that it is attractive or beautiful, at that time you can use the word captivating. Yes, my dear friends, it's a very usable word many people use in order to show their English so advanced. Yes, so I also use because I also want to show that my English is perfect. Because if you all will believe that my English is perfect, then you will see my videos. So that's why I am here to show you to make you believe that yes, you are on the right platform. It is nothing is wrong in this. You are here, you are learning English by me. Yes, it is really right. So tell me in the comment section, you like my videos or not? Yeah, write in the comment section, I want to know. And write also this, you watch videos till the end or not, because I want to know. So tell me this thing and see the scenery. Yes, scenery of my surroundings, it's very wonderful. There are some roofs and there are clothes on that stick, on that wood. Yes, and when we will speak words, so at the time the meaning will be changed. There we cannot say it's a plural of woods. No, the meaning of woods will be forest. So if you are speaking forest, at that time you also can use the word woods. Yes, my dear, because it's a we can say it is a synonym of forest. We can use woods at the place of forest. So this was a small information, and see the surroundings behind me. There are some other roofs and there is lots of trees and lots of farms behind me, you can see clearly. And there is one tree of banana, trees of mango, lots of trees are behind me. You can see there is tree of what, this is tree, and it's very beautiful. I like it. That's why I stand here and I record my videos in front of this tree, because when I stand here at the time, the background of this video look very attractive and very beautiful. That's why I stand here to record videos. Now I am on the lower roof. You can see that was higher roof, it is lower roof. It's a little dirty because of water. Because now I'm here, why? Because there was one woman and I don't like her. That's why I have came here. Because when I see someone, when I see my enemies, at the time I get disturbed. Yes, because they see at me and sometimes they laugh also at me. You can see there is she is sitting there. So that's why I came here, because I don't like to record my videos in front of anyone. I'm avoiding myself to show anyone that I record videos, I do this thing, I speak English, I'm good in English. I'm not showing anyone this thing, because if I will show to them, so they will not understand the reality of my speaking, the reality of why am I speaking. They will say it's wrong, it creates reels and shorts. What does it mean? They say bad, they do bad comments on me. That's why I don't want to tell anyone in my village, and I always avoid myself to create videos in front of anyone. Yes, my dear, so you have seen this beautiful scenery around me. You can see there are lots of farms. There is one farm, and in this farm farmers work, and there are also many fields you can see, and there are some trees also. And see here, many fields are left uncultivated, not for a long time, only for some months, because it is the time to grow potatoes. Yeah, after some days people will start growing potatoes in their fields. And you can see in that fields there is ladyfinger. Yes, my dear, it is a field of ladyfinger. Have you seen? So that's it. If you have enjoyed the scenery of village area, and village area, then please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends and relatives. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.